Okay, hello and welcome to my Python tutorial. So today we're going over math and math functions. So what this means is simple math in Python. So we can have 1 plus 1. So we're going to assign these to some variables. So var plus equals 1 plus 1. Var times equals 2 times 3. Var div equals 10 divided by 2 var. So these are just storing different math functions. Let's see, var, what do I want to call this one? Mod equals 7 mod 3. And then var pow equals 8 to the power of 2. So plus sign is plus, asterisk is multiply, backslash is divide, percent is modulus, I'll show you what that means, and 2 asterisk is to the power of. So if we print these, actually put that in a new cell, we have 5 of them, so pow mod div times and plus. So we print these, you can see 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 7 mod 3, which modulus is, so if we do 7 divided by 3, let's print that out, we get 2.3 repeating. If we do the integer 7 divided by 3, it's 2. But if we do 2 times 3, we get 6. 7 minus 2 times 3. Oh, I gotta print that. No, come on, parenthesis. There, it's 1. So modulus gives you the remainder of division. The other thing to note is it follows order of operations. So if I do print 7 minus 2 times 3, and I print this, I get 1, because in order of operations, multiplication first, so that's 6, so 7 minus 6 gives me 1. It also, parentheses and that kind of stuff, that all works. You cannot, if I do print bracket 7 minus 2 times 3, it just gives me a list, which I'll go over that later. But that's because you can't use brackets, you have to use parentheses. But anyway, so that's normal math. Math functions, well, the one thing is this var, the power of, can only be to the power of an integer. So if I do 8 double asterisk 3.5, apparently it works. I previously thought that didn't work. Okay, never mind. That works fine. Ignore what I just said. So yeah, so that there's also, you have this math. I'll put a link to the page in the description. Just copy the link. There's all these functions. If you do so, if I do math.pow 10, 11, it's going to give me an error because I have to import math first, and then it gives me the number. So there's also square root, that's very useful. So math.sqrt 10. Oh, that's supposed to be math. There we go. If I do math.pow 1 or 10, 1 over 2, that's the same thing. Now let me try something. 10 double ampersand 1 over 2. Still works. Okay, cool. So you can just use the double ampersand. Essentially, it's math.power or math.pow. But then that's the wrong one. There's sine, cosine, arc cosine, tangent, arc tangent. There's a bunch of things, to degrees, to radians. This is very, very helpful for whatever you're doing. There's also the two constants, math.pi and math.e. So that's very helpful. So that is really math and math functions. It's very straightforward. And next time, let's look at this. We will be doing input, output.